Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is BlancaEstela. Welcome to my channel. I do upload 3 times a week, so if you guys don't want to miss out on that, make sure you subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on LA Girl's new Pro Matte High Definition Longwear Matte Foundation. This is what it looks like. I did get a really light shade, so I'm going to put it on just for the sake of the video. If I do end up liking it, then I'll get my shade. But I did get the shade Natural. And this is medium to full coverage, smooth long wear suede finish. And I'm going to read to you guys what it says on the description on LA Girl's website. I did order it from Ulta. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I did get it from Ulta. On LA Girl's website, it retails for $10. And it reads, with a soft and suede look finish, Pro Matte Foundation will have you covered and shine free all day. Creamy liquid formula provides smooth and buildable coverage for both day and nighttime wear. Minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines for an even soft focused effect. It is paraben free formula and has added vitamins, vitamins E, B5, and sunflower oil. So for the price, I am pretty excited to try it out. If I do like it, I'm gonna be pretty excited. I like the packaging. It is in a glass bottle, and it does come with a pump, which I was pretty excited about. So I already primed my face. I did use my Wet n Wild matte foundation, so I'm just gonna pump it in the back of my hand. See, it is really light, but that's fine because I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze up really good and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. I'm just gonna go ahead and dab it on my face, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. Okay. Do you see how light that is, girl? And I'm gonna be using my beauty sponge to blend it out. I did damp it with some rose water just because I didn't want to go to the bathroom and wet it. So just gonna pull my wig back. Okay, going to start blending this out. So far, so good. It is blending out really easy. It's not drying down too fast, which I like, so it gives you time to work with it. Because I don't like foundations that dry down really fast, because then you have to blend it out really fast, and that's not what I want. So for the first layer, it is a medium coverage, that's true. It did cover up some spots, but I can still see like some of my birthmarks sneaking through and some pimples, but you know, that's nothing too bad. It didn't claim to be full coverage, so I'm not mad about it. We're just gonna go ahead and put another layer to see, because it does say that it's buildable, so we're gonna see if it really is buildable. So I'm just going to add foundation to like where I have pimples, like right here, and I have a birthmark right here. Have some right here around my nose. Okay. And I'm just going to dab it. I have a pimple right there. It did cover it up, but you can still see it, but because it's big, it did cover it up because it was red, so you can't really see it anymore. It did cover up the birthmark that I have right there. And I have a pimple right here. I can still see it. But yeah, again, because it is big, so it's bumpy, but it's okay. It did do a good job at covering up my nose. And I do have pretty big pores around this area, and I can barely see them now, which is really, really nice. Okay. I do like how my skin is looking. It doesn't look cakey, it doesn't look dry or anything. It actually looks really, really nice. I like how it looks. I do like the coverage of it. It is buildable. I will give them that. Just need to blend it out a little bit more. I didn't add any under my eye because I don't like adding foundation in the concealer because it does get cakey and gets creasy. So I'm gonna apply my concealer real quick, which is my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just going to finish blending this out and setting it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so first impressions on the foundation. I really, really like it. My skin looks really, really, really pretty with this foundation. It did minimize the appearance of my pores. My face looks really, really pretty. I can barely see the pores, especially around this area. Like where I have the biggest pores, I can barely see it. And I really, really love this foundation. It blended out really, really easy. I did want to do hourly check-ins with you guys, but I'm not going to be able to. But I'm going to do what I did with the review that I did with the CoverGirl Super Stay Foundation. I'm going to be putting down hourly check-ins on the description box. So if you guys want to know about the check-ins, you guys can read about it. But first impressions, I do like it. I'm just hoping it's going to last me, because I do have oily skin and it is a matte foundation, so I'm going to see how long it actually lasts and stays matte. So as of right now, it looks nice. My forehead is not getting oily yet. And let me just say something. I have the really, really big pores and blackheads on my nose, and some foundations do cover it up and some don't, but after a while, like, it does start to seep, to like come off, and I can see my pores and my blackheads. And I love how my nose looks with this foundation. I can barely see none of that right now. It just looks really, really pretty. I love how my skin looks. Like, it looks a little bit natural. Obviously it's not natural because I have makeup on, but it just looks a little bit natural, if that makes any sense. It is not too matte, which I really, really, really like, and it is really comfortable. It doesn't feel heavy on my face either. I will also put my final thoughts in the description box as well, so you guys can read that. But as of right now, I do like it. I am impressed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.